All right, so the autocomplete orders and auto cancel orders plugins are very similar. I'm going to go through a lot of the features today just to kind of give you a quick run through. So I have this is version 104. So whenever you're watching this video, that might change. All right, so let's go through it. This is the settings page. Looks very similar. They both look very similar. We're going to focus on autocomplete today. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy this t-shirt and we're going to see what happens. So this t-shirt happens to be in the category of t-shirts. So if I choose t-shirts and then save my settings, I go ahead and add this to my cart. And I have cash on delivery set up so I can just cruise through this quickly. So we'll place the order, and I'm going to go back to that just so we can see it. But if we go to our orders and refresh, you can see the order has been completed. And the other thing that we're doing is I'm logging. So if I go back to this settings page, autocomplete orders under the general tab has logging. Auto cancel has the same thing in place. So if we go to status and logs, we'll see both of them right here. And we're doing the complete orders today. And so you can see that it tells us that all products are in the qualifying category and it was auto completed. And we're going to do another option just for giggles. So if I uncheck that, and the tag, well, let's just do a specific one. So this is a V-neck t-shirt. So if I grab the V-neck t-shirt, hit save settings, add this bad boy to my cart, and we place our order, go back to our orders list and refresh, and it's completed. So I'm going to uncheck that. So there's a bunch of options in here. On our website, you can suggest updates if you'd like, but the shipping classes, so if we look at our product, I changed that shipping class. This is the V-neck t-shirt that we're messing with. I changed the shipping class to cheeseburgers, and if you're in the settings page, all of the shipping classes, I'm going to go back to products for a second. All of your products will show up, all the product types, which is only really two in this case, and then all of your tags and categories. So these are auto-populated from WooCommerce. All right, so no shipping classes, and then depending on the option they use. And I think it's interesting, I'm going to save this. I think it's interesting to note that if I buy this again, this will be helpful as a store owner, is if you're seeing things happening in the back end, you refresh here, it's telling you what rule was applied. So this was the product ID because we picked the specific V-neck, and then this was COD. So this logging should be helpful to tell you like which of those things are, which of the options in here were chosen. The last thing I want to show is if we go back to products and we go to accessories, well, I guess we'll just do t-shirts again. If we go to t-shirts and we save our settings, if I also have auto cancel orders loaded on the site and I choose t-shirts, so now it's gonna want to complete and cancel, and I save settings, it's going to yell at you and say, hey, you can't do that. You can't have both of them. And if I hit go back, that has been unchecked and nothing has been saved. So if I save this now, it'll work just fine because it's not in place. All right, thanks for watching.